eyeshadow primer using Before moving on to my eyes, what's wrong with me? I put too much. Oh, I got it in my mouth. Hello everyone, it's Billy. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all doing good. So today's video is going to be makeup with face masks. I know recently that all of you guys, when you're going out, you have to wear in face masks, and a lot of you guys DM me to do this tutorial, and to be honest, I'm not an expert, but I follow this step and nothing stains on my face masks, so I think it will work with you. And as always, all of the products that I use is from drugstore or affordable products, as always. So if you guys like my video, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button below, and I will keep you updated about affordable beauty products in every week. So I know that I talk too much, and it's the time to jump right to the video, shall we? Right, I will start with my face first, and I know what you think. You will be like, finally, she started with her face first. She doesn't do anything like wrong way around again. Yes, just only this one. So before I put anything on my face, like barely face, I will put a mask on, and I just would like to know, like, it's going to be this part, sorry about that, it's going to be this part that it touched the marks. What's wrong with me? And yes, before that I just got some trick from another YouTuber. So first of all, I'm going to use a loose finish powder from Maybelline Fit Me. Just put a tiny bit on my face using brush, because literally I just have moisturizer on and I want my makeup last all day. So that's why I just put like a little bit and put it on my face using this brush. After we finish powder, just a tiny bit, so I will use this one, which is Benefit for POREfessional. I suggest you to have a really good primer for your face, because this one will make your, not your skin, your foundation or your makeup last longer. When everything is set, I'm going to use this one, which is Maybelline SuperStay 24-hour full coverage foundation. I also have another video which I do about these testing Maybelline SuperStay, so you could go and check it out in my channel. But today I'm going to use with this dime sponge from Revlon. So I'm going to put it direct to the sponge, because I find this one, it makes everything last longer, and I start with my forehead first and then put left product from the sponge down. For my under eye and another blemishes, I'm going to use Fit Me concealer and put just a tiny bit using with this diamond sponge. While we leave everything set, I like to spray with this one, which is Urban Decay Makeup Setting Spray Oil Control. Sorry that my one is this good thing. I tried to clean it before, but it's stained. I put too much. Oh, I got it in my mouth. The lettuce set, I'm going to, moving on to my eye. Even you're wearing a face mask, you can still look beautiful. Before I set my face, I want my cheek to have a little bit of colour, so I'm going to use Benefit tint in colour. I'm not sure in the colour, but I'm going to put in the description box. I'm going to set my face with Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finish Powder in number 10. This time I will use it with a dime sponge. This one is clean, by the way. before moving on to my eyes, what's wrong with me? Today I feel like I have so much energy. Before I'm moving on to my eyes, I would like to shake it one more time. So I'm going to put this tissue on my face and let's see any stain or anything coming through. Ooh, nothing. For eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use 2 palettes today, but it's an easy one, don't worry, and it will pop your eyes as well while you're wearing the mask. So this one is Makeup Revolution Foil Fusion, and the other one again it's going to be Revolution Collaborate with Soap Extra Spice, this one. Right, I'm going to start with this colour first using just my finger, and then for my crease I'm going to use this palette. For my crease I'm going to use this one, which is Chocolate Orange, and that one is Cheesecake, and these a bit kind of like a purple colour, matte purple colour in Enchanted. Just like mix these 3 colours together and put it on my crease. And again, to blend every colour together, I'm going to put Vitamin C, Sweet and Salt, and Running Late, like 3 together. And that is my eye makeup. I'm going to finish the rest of it off makeup by using this one. It's Maybelline Hyper Sharp Eyeliner. And for mascara, I'm going to use this one, which is Revlon Ultimate All-in-One and Royal Paradise. So for my eyebrows, I'm going to use NYX Professional Micro Brow Pencil, and also Complexion. This is gone. Complexion. I believe this one, eyebrow mascara, Tinted Eyebrow Mascara. I'm going to put everything in the description box, including a link for the products, so I'll be right back. For now, I'm going to moving on to contour and highlight. I'm going to use Revolution Roxy Contour and Highlighter. Let's look like this. For my brush, I'm going to use Clinique Cheek Pop #1 Ginger Pop. Sorry that I can't find the brush on that I love from drugstore recently, but I promise you that next video I will try to find the best one. For lipstick, I'm going to use Maybelline SuperStay Matte Ink in number 175. Before we go, it's going to be 2 last steps one more time. I'm going to set everything using Urban Decay Setting Spray Oil Control, and this one is Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder. Okay, shake it one more time. Wow, there's nothing coming through. So now I'm going to put a face mask on. Like that. Nothing coming through. So, and that is tutorial makeup step from me. So I'm not an expert, but I'm using these steps and then it's no stain on my face mask, and I hope that you guys like it. So if you guys like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. That support my channel a lot. So see you guys next video. Bye!